Hey there, it's Anna from For Real. Are you one of those people who accidentally deleted some important text or iMessage on your iPhone? Now you're frantically Googling, how do I get deleted messages back on my iPhone? Well, consider your panic button officially unpressed. We've got your back. We're tackling that very issue today. First, we will cover retrieving your deleted messages if you're running iOS 16 or later on your device. Apple introduced a new feature here. Recently deleted. So let's do this step by step. Step 1. You'll need to open your Messages app. Click on Edit in the top left-hand corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Just tap Show Recently Deleted. Now, tick the conversations you want back in your Messages app. Lastly, hit Recover in the bottom right-hand corner and confirm your selection. Boom! Messages restored. Feeling good about this so far? If you enjoy this video and find it useful, hit that like button. And remember to subscribe to our channel if you still need to. Also, we value your thoughts, so comment below about your experience or any other tech issues you'd like us to cover. So, what happens if you've been using your Messages app on multiple Apple devices? Let's say you deleted a text thread on your iPhone, but, surprise, it still needs to be deleted on your iPad. Here's a quick walkthrough on how to forward those messages back to your iPhone. Open up the Messages app on your other device, select the messages you want to send back to your iPhone and forward them. Enter your contact details and send them through. It's as straightforward as that. But what if you use Messages in iCloud? When you delete a message here, it's gone from all devices. No worries though. We'll show you how to prevent this from reoccurring by turning off the sync feature. Go to Settings to Apple ID and then to iCloud. Tap Show All under Apps using iCloud. Find Messages and toggle off Sync this iPhone. Lastly, tap Disable and download Messages. Sorted. Now, if you backed up your iPhone recently via iCloud or iTunes, you might still be able to retrieve your deleted messages. Here's how. You'll have to go to Settings, to Apple ID, then to iCloud. Then, select Manage Account Storage. Click on Messages. Select Top Conversations and look for your conversations. It may not be foolproof, but it's worth a shot. See? Deleting text messages on your iPhone isn't the end of the world. With these simple steps and new features, getting your messages back is easier than you thought. Don't forget to tell us how it goes in the comments. That's it for this episode. I hope it was helpful. Remember to hit that like button if it was and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, this is Anna from For Real, signing off. Stay awesome.